HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, so we are officially taking the new camper out. Still hadn't sold the old one yet, but got it all cleaned up and posted now. But take this thing out for the first trip. Everything hooked up now. In the back here, we actually added this thing for the baby, just so he doesn't fall out, because he's used to being in a crib. So this thing actually press the little buttons here on the side, and this part will fold down from here down, which works pretty good. And then I've got it screwed down under there, which is still a little flimsy, but it's good enough, especially with him laying on it. It should be fine, but makes this into a little crib area, and it doesn't hurt anything. You can unscrew it from under the bed and take it off and be completely fine. So, but get everything packed up, ready to roll, and then getting out of here. All right, guys, we are at camping spot 93 at Shady Grove Campground in Cumming, Georgia. And there's Jackson. So, anyway, this truck did good. We've been busy getting stuff, and then we did a grocery run, and finally got back, and it's starting to get dark. But man, the camper looks good, doesn't it? So much nicer. Awning's nicer. We got nicer lights out here. A little campfire going on over there. And just hooked up water to it the first time, and that was interesting. Had to figure out how to turn the hot water heater lines on and where they were hidden at. And don't think the hot water heaters or any water lines have been hooked up in a long time. And I know that because previous owner told us that they didn't turn on any water. And the reason they didn't is because the toilet was broke. So as soon as we hooked up air to it, it started spraying out at the toilet. So anyways, got that fixed. Got the water hooked up. Got hot water going now. Should be good.
Here's some information.
Go, Jackson, go. Lumberjack.
What?
Lumberjackson.
Lumberjackson.
Until those pine cones on the fire.
Come on, come here. Put 'em in there.
You want to throw them in the fire, Jackson? Yay!
Mama, I'll go ahead and get the s'mores stuff out. I don't
Do it again.
It's about to fall, I think.
Yay! All right, guys. So we're packing up now. Just wanted to give you one more view here. There's the lake, not too far away. Another pad right here. Beside it, nothing really behind it. There's that bathhouse right over there. Playground right over there, both about the same distance, not very far away at all. But the camper did good, didn't have any issues. This spot's actually pretty good size. Give you a little bit of that. But yeah, another inside shot of the camper. Y'all seen it before, but everything went well, so happy about that. And the bed thing actually did really good. He didn't like lean on it or try to come out of it, but he just knew that was his area. He stayed right in there like it's a crib, so went really good. Did get some new sheets, some camping sheets. But yeah, everything went pretty well, so here we go. All right, guys, we're all hooked up. I just wanted to say that I love this hitch. This is so much easier than the other hitch to get on with the chains and all that stuff. The guy that I got this camper from actually gave me this one, which is really nice. And the sway bar is the trunnion. It's your load-bearing part, but it's also a sway bar all in one. It works really good. I mean, this thing doesn't sway at all. But it's the Fastway E2 hitch. But really good. Right, y'all remember the old camper I had to move up in order to get this camper out. Parallel parking another camper is extremely hard. So I pulled in through here and had to move it a bunch of times, and Cameron was helping me, and we actually got it back over there where it goes. And that, it seems easier looking at it now, but it was harder than it looks. So we're back.